Alright, so this vessel closest to us just cranked her up. Oh, I think he's having motor troubles. That's why the dude was checking out his cell phone. Seems to be running. Looks like it's running to me. Yeah, he's pointing at the motor. Good luck, dude. I hate that. I remember I had a big catamaran. Had two motors. And two completely separate systems. Two motors, two tanks, two batteries, blah, blah, blah. But I let moisture get into both tanks. And those motors would not run that day. Had a whole group of people on the dock waiting. And so the lesson that day was to install fuel filters that also strained for water. And once I did that, didn't have that problem anymore. But boy, I was embarrassed. Hey, I got me a big bug, just buzzed me. And I didn't bring any bug spray. I've got a new kit here. Oh, we got the cops coming back. What's happening here? What's he up to? He's visiting somebody. Pointing it. Oh, that's... I'm hoping there's no problem. I'm hoping. They're having a discussion. They're both looking down into the water. Now they're looking at the boat, looking back in the water. Okay, splitting off. Oops. Oh, this is interesting. So the boat owner is leading the way. Oh, he's heading into the storage facility. That's interesting. Alright, so let's come back over here. We'll set up for if these folks look like they're going to leave. I think everybody's back on board. This poor gentleman in the foreground looks like he's having trouble. Alright, we'll stop here for a bit. Come back when there's some action.